So guys, welcome. Now I just logged into the new account that I created. As you can see, the balance is 2,100 now. So what I'm going to do now, I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. I'm going to fill in my withdrawals details. Then after that, I'm going to go back to my own personal Piggyvest account, the one that has money. Then I'll now withdraw it. So in this video now, I'm just going to show you how to add your withdrawals bank details. Okay, so now I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. Now here that says account, I want you to watch my mouse, to click on here that says account. Then we just give it time for it to load up. Okay, so now after that, now let me push my camera. And after that, now you're going to get that says here that says my card and bank settings. I click on it, so just allow it to load up. Then after that, now then you come to get that says withdrawal settings. You click on it. So in this withdrawal settings, now I want you now here, there are so many options. So here they say add your bank. So all we need to do now, we just click on here that says add your bank. So we just give it a time. So now here they say enter your bank account. Then here now I'll just paste the bank account number. This is the bank account number. Then after that, now they say select the bank. I come to this place, I'll just select banks. So now what I'm using is First Bank. Okay, so I'll just click on First Bank. And they now say here. Then after that, now they now click verify account. So we click on verify account. So we just give the time to load up. That is how easy it is. It's very, very easy. So we just added up our withdrawal details. Okay, approve. You see, approve or completed successful. Great. So you can see, so the thing is loading up. So then after that, now we now add. So in order for this thing to be so now here is giving us an option for us to add our Piggyvest password. Okay, and our Piggyvest password is let me pause this video. Okay, let me pause this video and add my Piggyvest password. Okay, you can see after that we just add our Piggyvest password. Okay, so we now come to here that says save bank account. We now click on it. So as you can see, it's loading up. Bank details inserted successfully. So that is it. We just added up our withdrawal details. Now I'm going to take you back to my Piggyvest, the one that has money. Then I'm going to show you now how you can now withdraw your referrals and bonus that is in your Flex Naira account into your local bank. It's very, very easy. Okay, if you are new to this channel, I want you to hit the red button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I give detailed information on issues that concerns your personal finances and your personal savings and how to make money online. Okay, so welcome back. You see, so in the new account that I created on a Piggyvest, I just showed you how to add your withdrawal details, and right now I have logged into my own account. Okay, so this time around I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your Piggyvest. Now, just I promised in this video, I just showed you how to add your withdrawal details in the new account that I created. So this time around, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your referral. Okay, in my own new account now. So now when you come to here now, when you look at my Piggyvest savings now in this new account, I notice that what I have in my Piggyvest, the total savings I have in my Piggyvest is 12,186 naira from what I have seen. From the balance is in my total Piggyvest account in my account. So now if I should click on the savings now, let me show you how much that I have earned this week by referring people. So let me come to my Flex Naira account now. Let me click my Flex Naira account and show you how much that I've earned this week. Then I'll now show you how to withdraw. It's very, very simple. Okay, if you're new in this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I teach how to make money online. Okay, so now in my Flex Naira account now. So now, as you can see, now in my Flex Naira account now, what I have is 6,106 naira. and 76 kobo. That is the total amount that I have in my flex naira. It simply means that this week alone I have referred about 6 persons. So now, question now: how do you withdraw from your flex from your flex naira account? That is the money that you earn through referral. It's very, very simple now. So now when you scroll down to this in the page, as you can see, let me go back again. As you can see, so when I should scroll down now you can see here now. Then you can see here that says withdrawal. Okay, so all I do now, just click on it. So I'll just click on the withdrawal option. It's very, very simple. You know, everything I do in this channel is 100% practical. Okay, so now by the time it will now take you can see it is the thing now demand withdraw from flex naira now. So you come to this place now that you click here that says tap for here now that says tap to generate OTP. Okay, so all you need to do now, you just tap on it now. You just tap on it for an OTP to be sent. And everything about this Piggyvest is very, very secure. As you can see, copy the OTP sent to your phone. Okay, so all I need to do now, I'll just say okay now. So an OTP code will be sent to the to the number that I use in registering Piggyvest. As you can see, this is the OTP code. I've just copied it. This is the OTP code. I've just copied the OTP code. Is very, very simple. So all I need to do now, all I need to do now, I'll now hit backspace now. Okay, it's very, very simple. Now let me hit backspace again. Then I'll start adding all my withdrawal details, everything how much I want to withdraw and everything. I'm going to show you right now. So now let me go now. Now look at the option now. That here that says amount to withdraw. How much do you want to withdraw here now? So I'll just type what I want to withdraw in this. What I want to know. I just showed you that the money in my flex. What the money that is in my flex now? What is about? It's about 6,000. So I want to withdraw the whole money. So I'll just type 6,000 naira. You can see. Then here that says destination. Where do you want to withdraw the money? I'll just add my withdrawal details. I'll come here. I'll type Fidelity. This is the amount do I want to withdraw. Then here that what are your select what are you withdrawing for? Optional. I'm not going to put anything here. Here that says optional node for Piggyvest. I don't want to add anything here. Now this is the OTP code. Now here in this place now you enter the OTP code that was sent to your phone. Now remember we copied it. This is the OTP code. I'll just paste the OTP code. Then here that says enter your Piggyvest password. So now for this, I'm going to pause this video. Then I'm going to enter the OTP. I'm going to enter my Piggyvest password. Everything in this app is very, very secured. Okay. So now I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to enter my Piggyvest password. Okay. Then after that I'll come here that says withdraw now. Okay. So now let me add my Piggyvest password. My Piggyvest password now. So you can see. Let me go back again. You see, you in this place you type the amount that you want to withdraw. In this place you type the amount you want to withdraw. Then after that now you put in the destination account. I just showed you how to add I just showed you how to in the Piggyvest account that I created. I just showed you how to add your withdrawal details. Then you come to this place and say what are you withdrawing for? It's optional. I'm not going to put anything here. Here they say optional node to Piggyvest. I'm not going to put anything here because it's optional. So I'll now come here. Then the OTP code that was sent to the number that attached to my Piggyvest, I put it there. Then I now put my Piggyvest password. Then after that now I'll now come to this place that says, I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. This place that says withdraw now. I'll just click on it. It is very, very simple. So I'll just click on withdraw now. Now look at what it's telling you. And confirm withdrawal. Are you sure you want to withdraw the amount above from your flex wallet? I'll just click confirm. I'll just click confirm. As you can see, let us just give it how easy it is withdrawing from your flex. You can see your withdrawal was successful. Amount 6,000 naira. Your request have been processed successfully. Fund will be received. Great. So now we have just withdrawn our money. So now let us just wait for the money to enter into our bank account. That is how easy it is withdrawing from your flex naira, the money that you earn through referring people. Okay, that is, as you can see, we just received. As you can see, I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. We just received from my Fidelity Bank account. We just received 6,000 naira transfer from Piggyvest. So as you can see, that is how it